My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacy. Come garden with me now, man. This year has truly been a tremendous year for me. Despite the ups and the downs, the failures and the setbacks, all my wins supersedes all of that. I am super grateful for all the amazing support, all of you who have stuck with me, who continues to encourage me and appreciate the content I share with you. It has always been a constant learning process. I share and I learn from you as well. There's never a dull moment with all of you, my true supporters, my true subscribers, followers, and I must say, my gardening family. It has truly been a blessing to share this beautiful space with you. And by the grace of God, I do look forward to even greater moments with you. Come 2026. Gardening for me is not just growing food. It has connected me with the most beautiful thing ever, nature. And I've always said it, that gardening is not just refreshing. It is so fulfilling, so rewarding. And it's indeed a privilege and a blessing to be able to grow what I eat and eat what I grow. As I reflect on my garden this year end, December 2025, looking on to January 2026, I must say it is a tremendous blessing, and I just want to tell God thanks for his loving kindness towards me. My garden has proven to me time and time again, put no limits on what you can do, the things you can achieve, even in the moment of doom and gloom. A truly resilient garden, I must admit. There's truly no limits to what nature can do. My garden has proven to me, despite the odds, I must go on. I must press on, because in the end, I will achieve. I look forward to new beginnings, successful experiments, and just simply appreciate the things sometimes we take for granted. My garden has proven to be my safe space, my go-to mental facility. I cannot stress how privileged I feel growing a forest right here in my backyard, in containers, in the city. It is such a blessing. I am getting these cucumbers right here. You can tell that they're ready because the spikes, they come off so easily. And the spikes they use to protect them from pestilence. Can I tell you that cucumber is one of my favorite veggies? So I am so delighted to be getting these right now. Also going to get this one right here. This one, you can see how spiky it is, but at the top there are no spikes. And you can see that the pestilence did it very badly. I'm going to leave it so that they can continue with it and don't move to the others. I am also getting these string beans. String beans are one of the easiest to grow. So if you're generally buying your string beans, you can stop and grow them yourself because you'll have string beans in probably 4 weeks, and you get a constant harvest for a little while. Because these that I'm getting right now, you can see that a different crop is coming up and blossoms are also coming out. I think I accidentally pull on this too hard. It is rooting up. So I'm going to have to get it back down and water it and hope that it will bounce back. I always appreciate you tuning in. May God continue to bless and keep you and your families. And I truly appreciate you. Thank you all so, so much. I think I have a few more string beans. Just a few right here. I have to be careful not to pull too hard and pull out the plant. Usually I have a scissors, but I'm using one hand with the camera in the other hand because I don't currently have the tripod with me. So I have to make it work. And it is working. Some of you would remember when I harvested from these pak choys and I leave the inner leaves
to continue growing, and you can see they have grown, and now I have new inner leaves that I'm also going to leave and come back for more until they decide they are ready to go to seeds. So getting these what used to be inner leaves, now outer leaves. Nice. They are so crunchy. I imagine how delicious they are. They have always been delicious. I hear the rabbits like they're hearing the crunch over here. I'm going to give them this. Just pull it from me, so I have one for both of you. Here's another one. Here's one. Alright, you have that. Here's another one. Here it is. Here, mama. Okay, there you go. So both of you have. This feels good. Oh, you're such a girl. That's what my son would say. Mommy, you're such a girl. So I'm getting just a little more. Ah, come back here. Alright, so yeah, this is my little harvest for today. What would you like from this basket? Comment below and tell me. I harvested some peppers yesterday off camera because I wanted to share those. I really didn't feel like recording it. But just letting you know, I've been getting some lovely Scotch bonnet peppers. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, walk good. Okay guys, later, later, later.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet